Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a young student named Koji. Koji was known for his insatiable thirst for knowledge and his unwavering curiosity about the world around him. He was always seeking answers to life's profound questions, especially those concerning the harmony between mind and nature. One day, as Koji was wandering through the forest near his village, he stumbled upon an ancient temple. The temple was surrounded by tall, majestic trees and blooming flowers, exuding an air of tranquility and wisdom. Intrigued, Koji decided to enter and explore the temple's hidden secrets. Inside, he discovered a wise old monk named Master Ryu. Master Ryu had dedicated his entire life to studying the art of Zen and the connection between mind and nature. He welcomed Koji with a warm smile, sensing the young student's eagerness to learn. "Welcome, young one," Master Ryu said in a gentle voice. "I sense that you seek the harmony between your thoughts and the natural world. Let me show you the way." Over the course of many days, Koji became Master Ryu's devoted disciple. Under the monk's guidance, he learned to sit in silent meditation, observing the rhythmic flow of his breath and the thoughts that arose in his mind. Master Ryu taught Koji to become aware of his own mental chatter, to acknowledge it without judgment, and to let it pass like clouds in the sky. As Koji delved deeper into his practice, he began to notice subtle changes in his perception of the world. He discovered that the more he quieted his mind, the more he could tune into the beauty and harmony of nature surrounding him. The rustling leaves, the babbling brook, and the chirping birds seemed to sing in perfect harmony, creating a symphony that resonated deep within his soul. One day, while meditating under a massive oak tree, Koji experienced a profound realization. He understood that he was not separate from nature but an integral part of it. The same life force that surged through the trees and the rivers flowed within him as well. In that moment, a sense of deep peace and unity washed over him, filling his heart with boundless joy. Excitedly, Koji rushed to Master Ryu and shared his newfound understanding. The wise old monk smiled knowingly and nodded. "Congratulations, my dear student," he said. "You have discovered the essence of Zen, the harmony between your own thoughts and the natural world. Remember, this harmony is not something to be found, it is something that exists within you, waiting to be awakened." From that day forward, Koji embraced his role as a steward of nature. He shared his wisdom with others, inspiring them to find their own harmony with the world around them. Koji's journey taught him that true peace and contentment lie not in conquering nature but in embracing it and recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings. And so, the story of Koji, the young student who found harmony between his thoughts and nature, spread far and wide, reminding people of the profound wisdom that lies within and the beauty that surrounds us all.